Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody...
Hey, Mike Foster here, having a walk and a talk. Today I'm talking about empowerment. Think about that word. What does that word mean to you? I'll tell you what it means to me. To be empowered, well, it means to have the power to do things. The opposite of that is, you could say, being enslaved, or just having your hands tied, not being allowed to do some of the basic things that we need to do as humans. Explore, be curious, try new things. I'm a manager for a Fortune 15 company. It's a huge company. And I touch and manage, I gotta be careful how you say that in today's age, touch and manage. I manage them, and I touch them in an empowered way. And I've learned through the years that to engage an employee, and to me an engaged employee means someone who is into their job, produces well, will run through a wall for you, will not call off sick, will do all the things that you're looking for, be productive. One of the keys to engagement is empowering that employee, giving that employee the ability, the tools, the wherewithal to feel comfortable to try different things. They can try different things through innovation, they can try different things through experimentation, but mostly what I like to do is and it also helps develop the employee, I like to give them additional tasks, give them challenges, offer them areas where they can try stuff and they can do things that they think that they can't do. Have them do a task that they feel is too difficult for them, but start them off slow and coach them on it and empower them. And I gotta tell you, it works. Employees enjoy that. If they don't want to do it, they'll tell you. You can't push them. But most of them want to try something new, try something different. They want to be empowered. They want to be empowered because it challenges you inside. It gets you excited again. Most jobs are pretty mundane, pretty routine. Some are even boring. They're repetitive. By empowering them with different tasks, that removes them from their current task, which again, could be driving them crazy, or they're just burnt out on. And it can open their eyes to see what's out there, see if there's other things that they can do. And that's just employees. You got to do it with your kids. You got to do it with your friends. You got to do it with your family, your mates, your spouse. And by that I mean encourage them to get out of their comfort zone, but also don't hold them back. Don't hold them back. If you sucked at sports and your kid wants to play hockey, don't say, well, I always sucked at sports, so it's not in your DNA, kid. Probably he's not, but let him try it. Let him fall on his ass a few times. Or let him decide that he's going to find another sport. You just got to at least empower him. When I was a kid, my parents empowered me all the time. That's why I am the way I am. But they let me try musical instruments. I drove my family crazy with the musical instruments. But I found out that I had an aptitude for music. Not this kind of music. Although, it makes you want to dance. But anyway. And it helped develop me through empowerment to do a lot of things musical, and boy, changed my life. Same thing my dad told me. I sucked in Little League. I couldn't hit. But he empowered me. He said, you keep trying. If you don't like it, quit. But if you want to keep trying, here's some things you got to work on. But just be free to do it yourself. And I became the best baseball player on my high school team. Don't hold people back. Offer them different things that they may not know they even want. Empowerment is the power to change your life for the better. The opposite ain't very good. So for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace. That's the strip right down there.
Live life 365.
Isn't that nice?